सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः. May all be happy. May all be healthy. Namaskar, I am Suman Naresh. This is in continuation with pranayam, important pranayams at this time when the whole world is fighting for health. So earlier we had seen Bhrastika, how the Bhrastika is done. Today we will see Kapalbhati. So there are two ways in which you can do Kapalbhati. You can sit like this in Sukhasana, you can sit on chair, you can sit on bed, make yourself comfortable, back has to be straight. And you can sit in Vajrasana also. I'm sitting. So in whichever position you are comfortable, you can sit. Make yourself comfortable. So this is again a very simple pranayam, but you need to be careful in the beginning. Be a little easy on your lungs. So first I am going to demonstrate the first method. You can adopt Gyan Mudra and you have to exhale. We are concentrating on exhalation. Exhalation as if you are blasting air out of your nose, nostrils. You can watch me once. So you have to keep exhaling to begin with, maybe 10 count, 15 count. The second method, left hand adopt Apan Mudra. The middle two finger you are blocking it with your thumb. And the right hand, the Nasika Mudra, or if you know any other Nasika Mudra, you can adopt that also. This is basically to close and open your nostrils. So how we will do? We will start with right nostril. We will exhale. We will close left nostril and exhale through right nostril. And immediately close right nostril and exhale through left. Then again close left nostril and exhale through right. So alternately we are closing and opening right and left nostril and continuing. You can watch me once. I will be demonstrating. So here again I am just concentrating on exhaling. Exhalation is little forceful. Initially you can do 10 count, 15 count to begin with. The best way to start with, instead of doing pranayam in the beginning for longer duration, you can start with 5 minute, 10 minute and 3 times a day. One morning before food, afternoon you can try to do, before lunch, and evening one time you can do. Maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So this will tune the complete respiratory system. Now the third pranayam, it is Nadi Shodhana, Nadi Shuddhi pranayam. So how we will do? Left hand Gyan Mudra, right hand again Nasika Mudra, and we have to close our right nostril and exhale through left. Then inhale through left, close left, exhale through right, inhale through right, and exhale through left. So this makes one round. See, basically we are starting with exhalation. Exhaling through left, inhaling through left, exhaling opposite side, inhaling, then exhaling. Then in second round, again you inhale, then exhale, inhale and exhale. So again this pranayam also initially you need to do very slowly. Just concentrate. See, pranayam, it is not something you switch on computer and the screen will come. You have to close your eyes and just feel how your lungs is getting affected, how you are feeling. Are you feeling fresh, or you are feeling pain anywhere, or you are feeling giddiness? So all these things you need to observe. In case you feel giddiness, immediately you have to stop and take little rest. Maybe the next day you can do that. So because body has to tune to it. And towards the fourth pranayam. The fourth pranayam is Brahmari. Brahmari and some other important aspect I'll be taking in the next part. So in the meantime, keep practicing all these three very simple pranayam without exerting yourself, without troubling yourself. See, yoga should give benefit. So if you do correct